Hey guys, I'm Greg. Welcome to Gregsbeerreviews today. Let's go see what's in the fridge today, guys. Hey you guys, welcome to Gregsbeerreviews today. Thanks a bunch for stopping by. I do appreciate it. Today I'm sad, guys. This is the last Hot Butcher beer from the beer mail package that Jeremiah sent me. So we're going to wrap up his beer mail package, and then I'm going to be sad because I don't have any more Hot Butcher beers. Can't get them, can't buy them. But still feel very blessed that he's sending me their stuff. I mean, Jeremiah, thanks a bunch, my brother. I do appreciate everything you send my way, sir. Very tasty stuff you guys are doing, and like I've said several times on the beer mail package you just sent me, I hope with the acquisition that y'all got and got that brewery, you're going to be able to increase your distribution and go out a little further, and maybe one day they'll be here in Virginia. So that's what I'm hoping. My fingers crossed. Guys, this brewery is in Illinois. This is Bird of Epic Proportions. It is an Imperial or a double IPA, 8%. It says here on the can, Talus, Nectaron, and Simcoe Hop Double IPA, 8%. And on the bottom, and well, they always put the ABV on it, and the date on the bottom of it is in big letters. Very easy to read. And this is packaged on 0802 or 21. So, about a week old. So, pretty damn fresh. I can't get beers that fresh. It's made here in the valley. I mean, just can't get them. Because even if you go to the brewery, you're going to get a draft, and you're not going to know. And the people pouring the beer don't have a damn clue. I mean, they probably worked at Burger King last week. I mean, they don't have a damn clue. They don't know shit from apple butter. Tough to get good help. No doubt about that. Everybody getting a check from the government. Nobody wants to work and help wanted signs on every damn business when you drive down the street. I mean, they ain't gonna go back to work. I mean, as long as you're sending them a damn check, they're gonna make just as much, if not more money, sitting on their ass. So until those checks stop, you know, the people that really need it, it'll be different. But all these people that are able-bodied and just don't want to go back to work, that kind of sucks. And that's why we're in the dilemma that we're in. But not to get political, it is what it is. So, when we get into this beer, the commercial description says the same thing that's written right on the front of the can. So we got the ABV and we got the canned on date. Now it's time to put it in the glass. Now this one's not too hazy coming out. So maybe this is not a New England style. Now the pictures here looks like it's got a slight haze to it, but it's really not quite to the New England style color. So this may be a West Coast style. Because that doesn't look like orange juice in the glass guy. It is hazy, but I can see light through both portions here. More light through the thin part, but still see light through the big part. So definitely not a New England style beer, which is a little change up. Still a good looking, nice amber colored beer. Through the nose we go. Real nice hop presence. Pine, grapefruit, pineapple. Maybe a slight hint of some oranges or nectarines. Smells like a really hopped up West Coast style. So let's dive in. Cheers everybody. Cheers Jeremiah and everybody at Hot Butcher. You guys rock. Nice. Very nice. As much as I like the New England style, some of these West Coast styles that are super hopped up, I would spend my money on it. 8% alcohol is real hidden. To me, very pleasant. Very pleasant beer. Easy drinking for an 8%er. Back in pour going in. So they make just about every style. Something for everybody. If you don't like the New England style, you like the more clear West Coast style. Lagers, I think they do a little bit of everything. Dark beers. Don't know if I've had a barley wine from these guys or not. I don't know if they've done that. They probably have. I just haven't received one, or maybe it's a seasonal thing for them. I don't know. Not a lot of people want to drink a dark beer, porter, stout, or a barley wine when it's 95 degrees outside. So, real pleasant. That's a pleasant beer. So, right out of the fridge, let's go sip on it, and we'll see where we end up with. Alright guys, I'm back. Been sipping on it for a while now. Very nice icing that's left on the glass. A very tasty West Coast style beer to me. Very nice hop presence to this beer. ABVs on it. Hops are written on the front. What they use. Canned on date on the bottom of it. All the information basically you need. I just hope these guys do well and expand the brewery and start getting a bigger distribution, get more beers in more people's hands, and because there's a lot of people that want to try these beers that just can't get their hands on them. They're not in the vicinity where they distribute. So hopefully everything will go well for these guys. I always look forward to getting a beer mile package from Jeremiah. So with that being said guys, super tasty West Coast style, very enjoyable. I would buy this beer if I could get it here. Very easy drinking for an 8%. Very tasty beer guys. To me, 92 for me on this one. I don't think Beer Abbot's had anybody, two people, and both of them give it +4s. So Untapped has it at 3.94. I think it's a little better than, that's their B+ range. I think it's a little better than that. I'm in more agreement with the two guys on Beer Advocate. They both give it over 4. And I am too. I mean, it's 92 for me. So, and only 373 people have commented on it. So it's a new release from these guys. If you've had Bird of Epic Proportions from Hot Butcher for the world, let me know what you think until we meet again. Maybe a while. Don't have any beers. We'll see what shows up. Like I said, the beer store is in the process of moving, and I think it's probably going to be another month before they get open. But time will tell. So anyway, I think the UPS says I got a package tomorrow, but I don't know if it's beer or not. We'll see. Till we meet again, let's go see what's in the fridge.